Hi there, everybody. Welcome to Turkish Lessons. This is the part 3 on daily basis expressions of Turkish. And I hope it's going to be a helpful lesson for you. And there's going to be only now today 10 most common spoken expressions and phrases. I hope it's going to be a helpful lesson. Let's go start now. First one is sana da. Sana da. Sana da. Repeat with me. Sana da. That's good. So here, you too. That means in Turkish, we say sen de, sen de. For example, take care of yourself, you too. So that's why we say in Turkish, sen de. This is one of the examples, of course. Sen de, sen de. Likewise, aynen, aynı şekilde. Aynen, aynı şekilde. Aynen, aynı şekilde. What a surprise. Bu ne sürpriz böyle? Bu ne sürpriz böyle? Bu ne sürpriz böyle? Bu ne sürpriz böyle? Repeat it with me please. Bu ne sürpriz böyle? Anladım or aldım. Well, here I got it has different meanings as native speakers know this a lot, of course. So here I mean here first one is I got it, I understand. Okay, or I understood. Anladım. Anladım. Anladım. So second meaning is I got it. That means I get the message, I understand your message, or I got the package, or I got the order, whatever you say. So that means I received, I took it. So that's why in Turkish we say aldım, aldım, aldım. Okay, this is the second meaning. This is the first one. Anladım, anladım, aldım. I don't get it. That means I don't understand. This is what I mean here. Anlamadım, anlamadım, anlamadım. But when we speak a little faster, we kind of pass over the pronunciation of an. Anlamadım, anlamadım. What do you mean by that? This is a good question. Bununla, bununla. Bununla means by that. Ne demek? What mean? Ne demek istiyorsun? You. Bununla ne demek istiyorsun? Repeat it with me please. Bununla ne demek istiyorsun? Repeat one more time. Bununla ne demek istiyorsun? İyi tatiller. Have a good vacation or have a good holiday. İyi tatiller. İyi tatiller. In Turkish we say all the time like this. İyi tatiller. İyi tatiller. Gözlerime, gözlerime inanamıyorum. Gözlerime inanamıyorum. Well, there's kind of a tonic of surprise, or kind of how can we say, something unexpected happened. That's why you can maybe increase the sound of the words. Gözlerime inanamıyorum. For example, gözlerime inanamıyorum. Gözlerime inanamıyorum. That means I can't believe my eyes. So let's repeat with me as well. Gözlerime inanamıyorum. Keep the change, keep the rest. You know what it means. So in Turkish we say üstü kalsın, üstü kalsın. All right, now let's see the summary part here. Of course, I will write here on the right side the Turkish ones as well. Here I will say in English, and in Turkish you will see on the screen right side. Okay, let's start now. Same to you. Sana da. You too. Sen de. Likewise, aynen, aynı şekilde. What a surprise. Bu ne sürpriz böyle. You will see on the right side English and Turkish ones. I got it. Anladım, aldım. I don't get it. Anlamıyorum. Anlamıyorum. That means I don't understand. What do you mean by that? Bununla ne demek istiyorsun? Bununla ne demek istiyorsun? I can have a great vacation or have a good vacation. İyi tatiller. İyi tatiller. I can't believe my eyes. Gözlerime inanamıyorum. Gözlerime inanamıyorum. Keep the change, keep the rest. In Turkish we say üstü kalsın. Üstü kalsın. All right, now this is the end of our lesson, but in any case, doesn't matter. Please don't forget to repeat and try to practice as much as possibly with people you know or you meet online. And I hope this has been a good lesson for you. Please don't forget to write comments for our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for your time. Bye for now.